Hello and welcome to this third and last lecture of the overview section in this course on Mastering Artificial Intelligence. So in this particular section, we have been giving you an overview of how to become a successful artificial intelligence engineer. And in this lecture, we will talk about now what are the responsibilities of an AI or artificial intelligence engineer, right? So, what do you think are the roles and responsibilities of an AI engineer? See, the roles and responsibility of AI engineer can vary, can be different depending on the organization that you're working on, the project, and the level of expertise required. But there are some common things that you would need to be good at to become a successful AI engineer. Let's take a look at what are these common things that you need to be aware and then skill yourself to become a successful AI engineer. So first thing is to work closely with stakeholders to understand their needs and define problems that can be addressed using artificial intelligence and machine learning techniques. So your resources are artificial intelligence and machine learning techniques, and those you will use to solve your stakeholders' needs and problem. And the first step would be to define such needs and problem that can be used, that can be addressed by the artificial intelligence and machine learning techniques. So it's a pretty balance between the needs and the techniques that you have. The second thing you need to do as an AI engineer is to gather relevant data from various sources, ensure its quality, and pre-process it to make it suitable for analysis and modeling. So because ultimate aim is to analyze that data and produce an algorithm and a model that can do what your customers want you to do, and for that, you will need to gather data from various sources. So data collection and pre-processing would be the second step. The third would then be you will get into researching and selecting and developing appropriate machine algorithms, right? Machine learning algorithms or deep learning architectures. Now, those have to be based on the problem of the customers that you have that you want to solve and the kind of data that you have. So it's a pretty 360 job in terms of knowing what customers want, knowing the data available, knowing the problem at hand, knowing your machine learning algorithms and deep learning architectures, and then researching, selecting, and finding something that can solve those problems at hand. Then the AI engineers train machine learning models using the prepared data appropriately, then fine tune them for optimal performance and evaluate their performance using relevant matrices. So after having selected the right models, you need to train and evaluate. Training means it should be able to understand your data and produce the required output, and then you need to continuously evaluate. Then you need to do feature engineering, in which you will need to identify and extract meaningful features or variables from your data that can improve the performance of your machine learning models. So identifying those variables, those features that are meaningful and that can be supported by the data and can give you the output that you're looking for. Once you have all this done, you deploy the trained models into continuous production environments, ensuring they integrate smoothly with the existing system. So your trained model must work with the existing. You will not work in isolation. So integration with the existing system is critical, and together they should produce the performance requirement. They should meet the performance requirements that your stakeholders had set out right in the beginning in defining the problem. You then need to monitor the deployed models to ensure that they continue to perform well over a period of time, not only one time but continuously perform well. And you need to then update or retrain them as needed. So either the change of technology, discovery of new features, discovery of new algorithms, etc., etc. You need to update new data. You need to retrain them. If your data is dramatically new and it doesn't kind of explain the output, then you need to retrain them. And that you need to do to adapt to changing conditions or requirements. So changes can happen anywhere. The technology, the algorithms, the customer, the data, and you need to monitor the deployed model continuously and maintain them, retrain them, update them as needed. You often, as an AI engineer, would need to work, collaborate with data scientists, software engineers, and domain experts. So it's a lot of teamwork that you need to do. And these, you will develop these comprehensive AI solutions that can address the real world problems effectively. So your goal is to address the real world problems of your stakeholders, and these solutions that you develop with the help of working together with these other stakeholders like data scientists, software engineer and domain experts should be able to do that. And in that, the collaboration is a big piece that you need to do. Staying updated with the latest advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning is essential for AI engineers. You will need to conduct research to explore new techniques and methodologies that can improve the performance or efficiency of your AI system. So you'll have to continuously do R&D to know what are the new technologies, new methodology, new things that are coming up that can help you produce a better results for your customers. While doing this as an AI engineer, you need to be mindful of ethical considerations related to the use of AI technology, such as biases in data and models. There will be biases in data and models, and you need to be mindful of that and take care of them. Privacy is one key concern your stakeholders and customers will have. And one of the big thing with AI is its potential societal impact. So you need to be mindful of that. And then you will need to strive to develop AI solutions that are fair, transparent, and accountable from a society point of view. So overall, the role of AI engineer is multidisciplinary, as you saw there, requiring expertise in machine learning, data science, software engineering, domain knowledge, along with strong analytical and problem solving skills. So, having looked at the responsibilities of AI engineer in the context of what is AI and what are the various careers available, what do we do next? We now get into a lot of details about the AI engineer's responsibilities and how to deliver on them. And we begin with the first step of first big responsibility of you as an AI engineer of defining the problem, working closely with your stakeholders, understanding their needs, defining the problems so that these problems can be addressed using artificial intelligence and machine learning technologies. So thank you so much for watching this third overview lecture. I hope you continue to learn new things, continuing to enjoy, and I do look forward to see you again in the next lecture. Please feel free to message me if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer a question. Also download the PDF file to take a look at anything that is of interest to you. And I look forward to continuously seeing you again.